Shemai, good morning. My name is Beth and today is day 36 of Ballet Cymru's online tutorials. So today I'm taking you through Adage at bar. So like always, check our disclaimer, make sure you're wearing something comfortable, and yeah, let's get dancing. Okay, so just make sure you've got enough space around you. We're just going to start in fifth position. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, you're going to go down the leg, so 1, 2, 3, 4, leg comes in, 5, follow the arm, 6, open 7 and 8. From here, now I'm going to move forward a little bit, 8, we're going to développé devant, 1, 2, plie in arabesque, 3, pas de bourrée, 4, 5, développé à la seconde, 6, tendu 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make sure you're following the arm with the hand. Then put it on. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, then put 6, following with the hand, 7, 8. Okay, so just a few things to think about. Obviously this beginning bit I've included just so you can have a nice port de bras, a nice moment to connect with your artistry, so really follow eyes with the hands and just enjoy this beginning bit. So this first développé, make sure this knee stays back and you don't allow it to come forward to développé devant. You keep it back, you keep your bottom down and you lengthen that leg devant. Then in this arabesque, again make sure this arabesque doesn't go to the side, make sure it's right behind you, and then this plie as well, nice and strong and turned out on that leg. Pas de bourrée, then to the side, again just make sure that there's no kind of crazy hip placements going on, your hip stays down. Just make these développés strong, they don't need to be high, just make them really nice and placed. Okay? Are we ready? And okay, so that's the end of our Adage video today. I hope you've enjoyed and I will see you soon for another video. Have a good day. Bye.